Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best stapler in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Deli Effortless Desktop Stapler. The small compact design of the Deli Effortless Desktop Stapler belies its power. This is a heavy-duty stapler that can secure 40 to 50 sheets. The jam-free technology lets you work longer without any issues and the one-finger operation makes stapling effortless. You can get this stapler in 25, 40 to 50, and 60 to 70 sheet capabilities. A spring-powered quick load button makes loading easy and a non-skid rubber base will ensure it doesn't move around. Number 10. Paper Pro InPower Plus 28 Executive Stapler. 3-in-1 stapler. It's made to look interestingly stylish and has decent quality. The Paper Pro Power is widely regarded because of its advantage and style. The stapler comes with a one-stapling finger technology innovation that allows one staple as much as 28 sheets with one finger. The Paper Pro InPower stapler is an interesting stapler that is easy to use. It comes in a robust and long-lasting die-cast metal body designed not to slip and a base to balance the stapler. The body build of this stapler makes it easy to hold and press with an awkward feeling. There is a rubber piece in the back and in its top to make it easier to use. This machine makes use of a full clip of staple wire and can open up very well for tacking. Below are some of the pros and cons of the Paper Pro InPower Plus 28 stapler. 3-in-1 stapler that earned it a spot in our list of best stapler for home and office to get in 2021. Number 9. Rapid HD 220 Heavy Duty Stapler. Rapid HD 220 Heavy Duty Stapler is known as the big mama of all staplers, is a bold, heavy-duty stapler that was designed for use in large capacity. This machine can secure up to 220 sheets in one swift move. The stapler is designed in such a way that it can be adjustable at the throat with a throat depth of 1.8 inch to 2.5 to accommodate the different stapling size of 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and 15/16. The design of this stapler includes an easy front loading, indicator for the low staple, good lever system for stapling, broad base, a precise anvil for an improved stapling experience of all numbers of sheets, adjustable metal, guide, and strong metal construction. The plastic parts of this heavy-duty mechanism are made using a high percentage of recyclable material. Below are some of the pros and cons of the Rapid HD 220 heavy-duty stapler that earned it a spot in our list of best stapler for home and office to get in 2022. Number 8. Swingline Taut Mini Stapler. A lot of mini staplers are fairly flimsy things that spend most of their lives getting jammed. They also usually take mini staples, which aren't as strong as the standard size and tend to get twisted. But Swingline has hit an interesting middle ground with this mini stapler, offering a device that's both very compact but takes regular-sized staples. It offers surprisingly good leverage for a mini stapler and performs as well as a lot of larger desktop staplers, the only difference being its lower capacity and perhaps its durability since it's made mostly of plastic. A curved piece of metal at the back serves as a staple remover, although it does tend to fling staples across the room. Loading is very easy. The tab that holds staples in place is a little temperamental, sometimes popping open, but this is the best stapler for this price and size. Number 7. Stanley TR45 Staple Gun. If you need to staple things to a surface like a wall or a frame, then you're getting into staple gun territory. Some staple guns look more like power tools than staplers and might look a bit out of place in an office setting, but this relatively lightweight staple gun from Stanley has a toned-down all-metal design. Its svelte form makes it maneuverable enough to access tight spots, and the chrome-plated steel construction makes it a durable tool with a jam-clear mechanism so you don't lose time rooting out jammed staples. The bottom loading mechanism is easy to use and there's a handle lock for safe storage, making this our top choice as the best staple gun for crafts. Number 6. Rapesco Pliers Stapler. If you need to staple tougher materials, you're going to need more force than most desk staplers can deliver, and for that this all-metal pliers stapler from Rapesco is ideal. It functions just like a pair of pliers, you just squeeze the two handles together. It's still a reasonably compact device, but it can bind up to 70 sheets of paper at a time and can handle thicker material like card, canvas, sackcloth, and plastic wrapping. This all-terrain quality makes it ideal of customizing boxes if you're selling things via an e-commerce site. It's also fairly comfortable to use. Although you need to use a bit of hand strength, it has a long contoured handle grip for comfort and leverage and a guard to protect your fingers. Number 5. Repesco ECO 790 Long Arm Stapler. If you need to staple thicker wads of paper or you want to make booklets, then you'll want a long arm stapler for the flexibility to staple documents of different sizes and to create folded booklets with a perfectly stapled spine. The Repesco ECO 790 is a heavy-duty long arm with a full metal chassis and a front-loading magazine. It has a calibrated adjustable paper guide margin adjuster and offers a stapling depth of up to 300 mm. For thick documents, just be sure to use the right staples. This can take both 24/6 and 26/6 mm staples to staple up to 25 sheets, or 24/8 and 26/8 mm staples for stapling up to 50 sheets at a time. The rotating anvil has both staple and pin settings, and there's a magazine release button for easy full strip loading. All in all, this is great value for a solid long arm stapler that gives you the flexibility to staple booklets. It's also made from recycled materials, hence the ECO name. Number 4. Eco-Electronics EX25 Automatic Stapler. The idea of an electric stapler might seem to smack of laziness, but if you often find yourself stapling a lot of sheets of paper and multiple documents, the process can become tiresome. The EX25 from Eco-Electronics is an automatic stapler that's fairly heavy-duty, with the ability to staple up to 30 sheets at a time on AC or battery power. It makes it quicker to zip through stapling lots of copies of the same document, and with less danger of repetitive strain injury. It has no less than 14 different settings for supreme adjustability. You can adjust the throat depth between 0.25 inches and 1.5 inches and lock it. It comes with 210 staples included, which is refreshing because a lot of staplers require you to buy some staples to get started. It does, however, require 6 AA batteries, which aren't included, if you want to use it on battery mode to free you from having to staple near a plug socket. Number 3. Plus Paper Clinch. A stapler without staples? Yes, the ingenious Plus Paper Clinch is exactly that. Instead of using metal to fasten sheets of paper, it makes a small hole and tucks tiny pieces of the paper inside themselves to fasten the sheets together. It's easy to use and it's a lot more effective than you might expect. It's also highly portable, easily fitting into the palm of one hand. Of course, the absence of staples makes this stapler more economical and more environmentally friendly, not to mention more friendly for your hands since there are no spiky staples to mess with. The clever mechanism also makes it more suitable for kids, and if you need to shred documents, there's no need to remove staples first. The Japanese-made product won a Red Dot Design Award for its smart innovation. The downside is that you can't staple more than around 5 sheets of paper at a time. Number 2. Swingline 747 Business Stapler. If you do want a stapler that really turns heads, the iconic Swingline 747 is the best stapler for you. It's by far the most elegant and, dare we say it, even bling stapler on our list. Its double-coasted die-cast zinc construction and sleek, streamlined looks means it will fit at home in even the fanciest office, especially if you opt for the gold or silver finish. As for the mechanics, you get a jam-resistant mechanism for accurate stapling on up to 25 sheets. It opens easily for tacking so you can use it on notice boards or walls, and the metal piece that goes under the paper rotates to create pin staples too. Number 1. Bostitch Office Heavy Duty 40 Sheet Stapler. Our choice of the best stapler overall is the Bostitch Office Heavy Duty 40 Sheet Stapler. While some compact staplers can only handle a few sheets of paper at a time, this tough cookie can staple at least a couple of dozen. It claims up to 40, but we think you'd have to be using very thin paper for that. This makes it very handy for anyone who needs to staple together a whole portfolio or proposal. Its no-jam technology is designed to avoid those familiar frustrating jams you get with more flimsy staplers, and it opens 180 degrees for tacking or crafting use. It's smart and compact, taking up little room on a desk, and it's easy to carry around. A non-skid rubber base provides stability and protects your desk too. You can pick from a wide range of colors, including a bold metallic blue and purple, but there's also standard black or white if you're looking for a more sober look.